Hello, today we're going to be doing the ski lift shootout and the giant mountain coaster. Look at it.
Yeah, Ellie. Here we go, Ellie. Whoa! It won't slow down. It won't slow down, Ellie. We're up there. Whoa! Whoa, Ellie.
This is good.
No, I'm trying to slow down. It won't slow down. It won't slow down. Over the hill, Ellie. Okay, here we go, Dylan.
We're on the ski coaster. Look at the blasters on the back.
Yeah. Hey, Anna. Hey, Greg. Hey, Jess. Hi, Ellie. Okay, here we are, me and Dylan.
Stop your views.
We got guns. We're loaded. We're ready for the action.
Whoa. There's snowflakes.
Oh, snowflake. Oh, goodness, Dylan.
Oh. This feels so weird. It's fast.
I think you got that one.
I got it.
Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no.
I
This
know.
thing, something snapped.
Oh, we need to go to the snow later.
I know, look at that.
What was your score? I had 3,000. 4,000.
4,500, dude.
Nice.
There he is getting up there. Woo! Ellie, what happened, Ellie? Get up here, Ellie.
We gotta run.
Woo! Okay, guys.
That hurts at high speed.
Oh, Ellie, it's steep. Whoa!
Ellie.
Oh, Ellie!
My neck is scared.
Oh! Oh!
My own slide.
Hold out in front of you.
I did.
Oh, Dylan, film Ellie.
Ellie.
I made this. Oh, look at your little igloo.
Get in there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Ellie, now you go film. Take the camera. Go do your slide.
Ellie, get up there.
That is crazy.
Come on, Ellie, run.
I got the other way.
Over by this. There you go. Sit down and rip. Go, Ellie. Go, Ellie.
I want to show you this. I made this. Keep going. Look at that. That's so cool. Now let's go back. Now it's all right.